friends, this is Mirror Craft Mirror channel. We are making beautiful Mother Day card. So let's start it. We need two type of color shades. It's light orange and red color. So let's make a beautiful card. If you like this, please like and subscribe my channel. This is the final look of my card. Hope you like most. Thanks for watching and support my channel. Beautiful birthday card if you missed it. We need two type of paper sheets, white and brown. So we draw beautiful patterns on a card with the green marker and fix the little flower. Thanks for watching and support my channel.